Hello, so I'm Chris. I am a graphic designer and I have 6 years of experience. And also a graduate of advertising art. So my job experience comprises of my first job. I worked on a company called Toddy Gear. So in that company, we made tech gear accessories. So it was my job then to fit the client's designs on our product template, and then afterwards I would proof check and quality assure. Yeah, I did quality assurance for the design so that they could be finalized for printing. And then my next job comprised I did graphic design and illustration for Tepet TV. So in that job, did I gave ideas for the script. I also did the storyboard for the videos, and I also provided the graphics and digital illustrations for the videos. And then for my third job, I worked for a publishing company called Z Publishing. So my job there was pretty simple. I I I made activity books. So I mostly did photo editing on that job. It was pretty simple, like I said. So yes, my most recent job was for a company called Argument Driven Inquiry. So it's an educational consultant company. So in that job, I was a graphic designer, and then in collaboration with the writers, I did the graphics, also the illustrations. I also did some photo editing, some layout, and a bit of video editing and animation. And my strengths would be I'm a resourceful person. I'm also determined. So if I don't know something, I'm honest about it. I don't know about it, but I will know how to do it. I would figure it out by myself. And my weakness I would say is right now I would say video editing and animation, but I'm working on it, so it's fine. Um, so I am my best fit for this role. I would say I have 6 years of experience. It's pretty extensive, and also apart from that, I have a formal education in graphic design, particularly advertising art. So yes, that's about it for me. Thank you.